Hey, you see those beautiful mountains, that beautiful scenery back there? That's where we're headed right now. You can get an idea by looking behind me, the type of washouts that happen, mudslides, landslides. The land is obviously so mountainous, and when the heavy rains come, everything is subject to motion. And so that can take roads out, even highways. Whether it collapses underneath or it just washes a bunch of debris on top of the road.
Gracias. Vengo con expectación. Dice Alvin que
Hey, how long you guys been construction workers?
¿Hace cuánto tiempo trabajan en construcción? Pregunta.
Are you responsible for these roads?
¿Están encargados para esta calle?
Is that why they're like this?
Esto es lo que están haciendo.
Did you do this?
¿Ustedes hicieron esto?
Welcome to paradise. The town we're in right now, it's called El Paraíso, or the Paradise in English. We have this church meeting scheduled. The church building is below us, and we're in the pastor's house above it right now. The church right now is flooded. We've got water flooding the streets, flowing like a river, flowing pretty fast actually. And obviously in these types of conditions, the people, if they were on the way, they're probably tucked away somewhere trying to get some shelter. So we've got a lot of thunder, a lot of lightning going on. It's a tropical storm at its best, or at its worst, depending on how you look at it. But I believe that God's going to do some awesome things even through this, and I'm interested to see how this all turns out. The rain's quit to a great degree. No power now, so you know, you just count your blessings. You keep staying positive, focusing on that positive. You know, what do you say? Welcome to the mission field. So you can see that in spite of all the rain, the storms, the darkness, everything that was going on, got a group of people, small but faithful, valiant ones that came out and expecting something from God. We know that God will supply that. He always does.